you're so beautiful. You should just be yourself.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do your own nails for only $5. So if you guys are interested, just keep watching. So these are my natural nails, but you should probably cut yours down before you start. So this is the nail kit that I'll be using. It's a ready-to-wear gel manicure that you simply glue on. As you can see, it comes with 24 nails, and it also already comes with the glue and a manicure stick. So the kit comes with 12 different nail sizes for you to use the ones that best fit your fingers. So you want to fit them before you start because you don't want them to be too wide or too narrow and have your nails showing. Each pair is also numbered 0 to 11 just to make it easier so that you're not putting two different size nails on the same finger. So these are all of the ones that fit my fingers. I can include the numbers that I use for each finger in the description box if you guys would like. So I'm gonna take the glue and just apply a thin layer to my nail, or you can apply it to the fake nail, but I apply it to my real nail because I just think it's easier. And then you just press the nail on and hold it for 5 seconds, and then boom, that's it. I bought this kind because they already come shaped, they already come painted. I'm not the best nail painter, but I did end up repainting it just because I didn't like this color, and this was the only color that they had in this shape. But they have different shapes, like the pointed ones, the rounded ones, the square ones, so that just makes it really easy, especially like if you're like me and you don't know how to paint. They also have different designs, and they look so natural. They don't look like the fake cheap press-on ones from when we were like little kids. So yeah guys, look at this, it looks so good, so real. I suggested that you cut your nails down first because I'm sure, as you guys can see, especially right there with my thumb, my nails are so long that they're showing underneath the fake nails, so you should definitely cut them first so that doesn't happen. You can also file the sides of the fake nails to fit your natural nails perfectly. I personally just didn't want to do that because since they're already shaped, I didn't really want to mess it up. Also, because I'm sure you guys are wondering how long these are gonna last, on the box it says wear beyond 7 days is not recommended. I'm not exactly sure why it's not recommended, but look, there right there is what I'm talking about, is where you can see where my nail is showing through, but on my nail that's broken you can't really see it. So that's why you should cut them down first so that you won't see your natural nail. So I'm sorry it's a little blurry, but if you guys can see at the end of every nail there's like a I don't know what it is, but you should file that down before anything so that they don't look fake. So this is what they look like once I've glued them all on. Like I said, you can see my nails underneath, which is why you should cut them, but I am not cutting my nails. So I didn't really like this color, so I am painting them yellow. And as I said, I am terrible at painting my own nails, especially my right hand. So I am going to paint the rest off camera, and I will come back. So this is what they look like once they're done. Like I said, I'm not the best painter, so please bear with me. But yes guys, they look so natural. You should probably just buy a color that you want to wear so that you don't have to do all this extraness. But anyway, I hope you guys like them, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, just comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!